So I was flipping through my issue of Property for Sale magazine, India's leading property magazine, and I came across an ad for Supernova by Supertech. And I thought this is a project that I have to come and check out for myself and show to you guys as well. So we're at the Supernova project by the Supertech Group, which is just right at the entrance of Noida, located just 5 minutes away from Kalindi Kunj and just 15 minutes away from South Delhi. So connectivity is not going to be an issue for you at all. Now the Supernova project comprises of 5 towers, and the one that we're talking about today is known as Spira. Spira is the tallest mixed-use development in all of North India, standing tall at 80 stories. And nestled in this tower are only 78 ultra-luxury units known as the Spira Residences. Now the rest of the tower is going to be home to the Le Méridien Hotel, and the top floor is going to be an observatory deck with its own restaurant and clubhouse. Now coming to the ultra-modern and ultra-luxurious Spira Residences, Supertech is offering only 3 and 4 BHK options. Now this flat is fully equipped with a video home security device system to know who's coming and who's going, and a numerical lock pad on your door. You know, you can never be too safe these days. And this is an artistic vision of what the Spira Tower is going to look like. See? So as I'm entering this flat, the first thing that strikes me is this very impressive drawing and dining area. Take a look. Now the best thing about this super luxury apartment is that all the wallpapers, the flooring and the carpeting that you see are all included in this flat. And these are the kind of imported wallpapers that you won't ordinarily and easily get in India. Now, like most modern apartments, the Supertech Spira Residences offer you an open kitchen. And who wouldn't want an open kitchen when it looks like this one? Take a look. Now, this is what a thematic kitchen looks like. Now, what is it that a thematic kitchen offers? The best part is that you have monotone interiors and it all looks very, very plush. And these kitchens start at somewhere around 75 lakhs and can go up somewhere into crores. Now, this kitchen has this lovely 2-door fridge which is looking very hidden, and look at all this space that you have for all your goodies, your chocolates. Other than this, let's close this one up. They've also made provisions for your summer afternoons. You have your water dispensers, you have a lovely Siemens oven over here. They've made use of all your nooks and crannies, so there is ample of storage space and there is no wastage whatsoever. So that's a really nice thing that Supertech has taken care of. You have a dishwasher here. So they've really taken care of all the needs that a modern day couple or a modern day family would really need. And the best part is all the drawers that they've used are soft touch, so they close on their own. And now for my favorite part of this kitchen. Ta-da! Your very own wine cooler. There you go. Plenty of space for your home wine collection. All I hope is that they throw in better bottles of wine. Come on guys, you can do that. So this is what our thematic kitchen had to offer. Now as I had mentioned earlier, this particular flat is a 3-bedroom version, and now we're going to go and look at the master bedroom. Now this is the main master bedroom in this particular flat, and as you can see there's plenty of space. You have a double bed and there's a little surprise in store which I will reveal later. So you have your bed here, you have a little seating area on the corner, you have some storage space. And now to my favorite part. This is my personal basic requirement for any flat that I would choose, a walk-in closet. Now it seems very, very basic, but take a look. Look at the kind of finishing that they've provided, so you can have your cufflinks, all your jewelry can be displayed out nicely and very easily accessible for you. So you have separate closets so that there's no fighting going on. So the best part is that the moment you step into your bathroom, the lights come on automatically. You have a little bathtub here, and the best part for any modern day couple, 2 sinks so that there's no fighting early in the morning. His and hers. Come on. Time for me now to kick back and read my magazine for a couple of minutes. Fab issue. This is one of the smaller bedrooms that this apartment offers. Small only in comparison to the master bedroom, but otherwise pretty sufficient. Now, while this bedroom does not have a walk-in closet like the master bedroom, it does have two huge, very well hidden closets. Now again, unlike the master bathroom, this bathroom is smaller, but they have made enough space. You have a wash basin and a lovely shower cubicle with these huge showers that everyone loves these days. Now, this bedroom adjoining the drawing room is almost as big as the master bedroom and is very spacious. You can easily, comfortably fit in a double bed over here. And of course, they have my favorite part, the walk-in closets. Now, in this particular room, they have designed the closets in a different way. So you have his and hers on two different sides. The wardrobes here are designed by Interlubka, and they're beautifully designed closets with enough space for all your shoes and clothes. And now for that little surprise that I was telling you about, the thing that I had been saving for the last. What this apartment offers us is this. Your very own private deck. This is why I love this apartment. Take a look. So this was a super sneak preview for all our Property for Sale magazine readers, a special sneak preview of the Spira residences at the Supernova by Supertech. And that is what our project is eventually going to look like. Right here, this tall 80-story building that you see is the Spira Tower, which houses the Spira residences, which we just saw. Right next to it is going to be Armani residences, so that's as top of the line as you can get. Here are the Nova Towers, Nova East and West, and an office block. And here under this beautiful facade is going to be a 3-level shopping mall of the highest luxury brands available and a huge other shopping mall of your top brands. And if you haven't picked out your latest copy of Property for Sale magazine, head to your nearest magazine stand or newsstand, or you can just download it on your iPhone or iPad, or simply SMS MAG to 56161. So in about 3 to 4 years, thanks to Supertech, Noida is going to be buzzing with activity. So, from the makers of Property for Sale magazine, until next time, this was Supernova by Supertech.